Hi everyone, Amber here from Majestic. Welcome back to my channel. So last week I was able to join Cotton Cuts and 5 other ambassadors for the reveal of our colorway for the Under the Sea Puzzle Mystery Quilt. So it was revealed that I am going to be the ambassador for a large Davy Jones Locker. I'm so excited. This was actually my first choice. Usually as an ambassador, we give like our top 3 choices of what we'd like to sew. But the past few times we've been doing something fun where we'll have someone else pick a colorway. During Wild West, my friend Sean picked the Josie colorway for me. So this time there was 6 of us that participated, and I will link the video below because it's super funny. We had a great time, and I'm just so excited. So Davy Jones Locker is the Halloween themed colorway. This is the color card, and on the back it shows you all the fabrics. So I have some, these are what usually go in the little snippets kits. So I have some scraps here, and these are all art gallery fabrics. It's the Ghostly and Haunted by Art Gallery Fabric Studio for Art Gallery Fabrics. So super excited about these, and my box has arrived. So as an ambassador, we do the whole kit up front. This is an option before the Puzzle Mystery Quilt actually starts. So the first clue is already released. So you can still sign up, but you can sign up for the monthly. And I have an ambassador code. It is Under the Sea, and it will give you a bonus gift for your first month when you sign up. So I'm in this video today going to walk you through this box. It's going to show you what you can expect if you signed up to have it prepaid, or if you're thinking about it in the future. It will also show you what it will look like. Each bag is per month, so you'll see if you're doing the monthly what your bag may look like as well. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Thank you again to Cotton Cuts for allowing me to be an ambassador again. I'm having the absolute best time. I really look forward to sewing these all up. And if you do enjoy the video or my channel, I would love if you could subscribe or give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, and I appreciate it so much. All right, so I have my box from Cotton Cuts. This is how it is shipped to you. I have not opened it up yet, so this is a real unboxing. I have received boxes previously because I've been an ambassador for a while. So I want to walk you through what it's like when you sign up and you get your prepaid box. All right. They always have it like really cute wrapping. So some things that you can expect in your box, and or your first month upon signing up, you will get this little insert. This is really important. You don't want to lose it. I actually recommend taking a picture of like the front, the inside, and the back, because I'll show you why. So the front shows your colorway. These are all the different fabrics that are going to be featured in the quilt. Inside has a whole bunch of information. There are some tips and tricks. And if you have any problems, or, you know, for accidents happen, obviously it's humans packing these. If you're missing a piece or anything, you can email or go to cottoncuts.com PMQ support. So this is really important. Knock on wood, I've never had a problem with missing pieces, but I know it can happen. And here are the email and ship dates. So these are really, really important. There's 2 puzzle mystery quilts going on at the same time. The spring one is going to be coming to an end, and this is the fall. So clue 1 already shipped out on July 25th, and it says ship dates and email dates, because an email will be sent out if you have prepaid with your clue in it, and it will have all the instructions. You can download it, or you can go into your evidence locker and download it. Or if you are paying monthly, this is the date that your clue will ship. So it's the last Friday of every month. So it's important to remember, if you're getting monthly, they can get caught up in the mail. Just pay attention to your tracking. You should be able to follow along. A lot of people get a little bit anxious if they don't get it in a day or two. but it is sent through the postal system and Cotton Cuts is putting out a lot. So try to give them some grace. Also, it shows you their Facebook group, which I highly recommend. It's such a helpful community, not just for the puzzle mystery quilts, but in general. And then there is an email for a general question. And now the back. This is what's really important. This tells you what's your fabric A, B, C, D, E, F in your binding. Because all the clues, since the same clue is used for the large and the same clue for the small, it's not going to say the name of the fabric. It's going to say fabric A or B. So that's how you're going to know which color to be using. So if you lose this, you're not going to necessarily remember what fabric you need. So I really, really recommend taking a picture of this. All right. Also in the box here's just a little bit of a welcome. It's their 18th puzzle mystery quilt. It's so hard to believe. I think this is my 6th one as an ambassador, or 5th one, and 6th one total. So it's such a great time. Here's your little welcome. And so now they have this printout for each month. It's going to tell you the quantity and the size of each fabric. So if you want to, for example, month 1, fabric A, you should have 2 small triangles. You can see there's a large rectangle. Fabric B, here's some triangles. You can add or go through and count them up to make sure that you have all your pieces. I honestly don't do that ahead of time. I just open mine up month by month. So here is clue 1. I will be releasing a separate video that shows how to sew this up, as well as what the clue looks like, and go through it especially for beginners, step by step, or if you're not a very confident quilter, or if it's your first time. Definitely be on the lookout for my first month tutorial. And what I do want to show is that Cotton Cuts always sends a little gift, usually the first month and the 5th month. So in here, let's see what it is. Oh, it's a little notepad. It's so cute. This is the first time. I think this is new. I've not received one of these before. So it's always something cute. Like sometimes it's pens. I've gotten magnets, a tape measure. Really excited. This is very helpful for taking notes. So I'm going to put that back inside just so when we get our clue, or when I do the next tutorial, it will be in there. I can talk about it. So in the prepaid box, you will have all 10 months. If you are doing the monthly, this single clue would have came in the mail for you. And then for next month at the end of August, you'll get clue 2 in the mail. So that's the only difference. The prepaid, you just get everything up front. So you can see that all the different months are here and are labeled. Another option, and you can see all the way up to month 10 in the back. Another option that you could do is add on an oops kit. And I think you could still purchase these. These are really helpful. It's just a little, I think it's a fat eighth of each of the fabrics. So if you mess up and you need to unpick something and it kind of shreds your fabric, gives you a little bit of each, so that way you can fix it immediately. Another thing that there are the Cotton Cuts block of the month. So it's a little postcard that shows you the directions and cutting instructions. So the size and how many you need of each and how you can put this block together. On the back, it is like a coloring book. You can color this in. So you could either post your completed block or this coloring card, a picture of it, and here's the hashtag to use. And you can do it by August 15th in the Cotton Cuts group, the Facebook group, for a chance to win a prize. So this is another fun thing that Cotton Cuts does as well. And so let me just double check to make sure that there's nothing else. Those are the essential things. If you ordered a backing kit, I believe that was also included. I do not have the backing kit. So this is everything that comes in your box. I hope if you're doing Davy Jones Locker that you join in and follow along on my channel. Or if you're sewing up a large The instructions will be the same. Our fabrics will just be a bit different. And I hope that if you're considering joining the next puzzle mystery quilt, that this unboxing kind of helps you decide. All right, thank you so much for joining me for the unboxing video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments what colorway you're sewing up. Did you prepay and receive a box, or are you doing the monthly? And if you'd like to sign up, it's still not too late. You can use the code AMBERC and you'll receive a bonus gift on the first month. And I hope you consider it. It was how I actually learned to quilt, and it's such a great time. And I have so much fun in the Cotton Cuts community, especially on their Facebook page, their Facebook group. Definitely join it. I cannot talk about how much I love the behind the scenes that goes on there. So again, if you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing or give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.